UK Prime Ministers. One. Robert Walpole 1721 to 1742, Whig. 2. Spencer Compton, 1st Earl of Wilmington 1742 to 1743, Whig. 3. Henry Pelham 1743 to 1754, Whig. 4. Thomas Pelham Holles, 1st Duke of Newcastle 1754 to 1756, Whig. 5. William Cavendish, 4th Duke of Devonshire 1756 to 1757, Whig. 6. Thomas Pelham Holles, 1st Duke of Newcastle 1757 to 1762, Whig. 7. John Stuart, 3rd Earl of Bute 1762 to 1763, Tory. 8. George Grenville 1763 to 1765, Whig. 9. Charles Watson Wentworth, 2nd Marquess of Rockingham 1765 to 1766, Whig. 10. William Pitt the Elder, 1st Earl of Chatham 1766 to 1768, Whig. 11. Augustus Fitzroy, 3rd Duke of Grafton 1768 to 1770, Whig. 12. Frederick North, Lord North 1770 to 1782, Tory. 13. Charles Watson Wentworth, 2nd Marquess of Rockingham 1782, Whig. 14. William Petty, 2nd Earl of Shelburne 1782 to 1783, Whig. 15. William Cavendish Bentinck, 3rd Duke of Portland 1783, Whig. 16. William Pitt the Younger 1783 to 1801, Tory. 17. Henry Addington 1801 to 1804, Tory. 18. William Pitt the Younger 1804 to 1806, Tory. 19. William Grenville, 1st Baron Grenville 1806 to 1807, Whig. 20. William Cavendish Bentinck, 3rd Duke of Portland 1807 to 1809, Tory. 21. Spencer Perceval 1809 to 1812, Tory. 22. Robert Jenkinson, 2nd Earl of Liverpool 1812 to 1827, Tory. 23. George Canning 1827, Tory. 24. Frederick John Robinson, 1st Viscount Goderich 1827 to 1828, Tory. 25. Arthur Wellesley, 1st Duke of Wellington 1828 to 1830, Tory. 26. Charles Grey, 2nd Earl Grey 1830 to 1834, Whig. 27. William Lamb, 2nd Viscount Melbourne 1834, Whig. 28. Arthur Wellesley, 1st Duke of Wellington 1834, Tory. 29. Robert Peel 1834 to 1835, Tory. 30. William Lamb, 2nd Viscount Melbourne 1835 to 1841, Whig. 31. Robert Peel 1841 to 1846, Conservative. 32. John Russell, 1st Earl Russell 1846 to 1852, Whig. 33. Edward Smith Stanley, 14th Earl of Derby 1852, Conservative. 34. George Hamilton Gordon, 4th Earl of Aberdeen 1852 to 1855, Helite. 35. Henry John Temple, 3rd Viscount Palmerston 1855 to 1858, Whig. 36. Edward Smith Stanley, 14th Earl of Derby 1858 to 1859, Conservative. 37. Henry John Temple, 3rd Viscount Palmerston 1859 to 1865, Liberal. 38. John Russell, 1st Earl Russell 1865 to 1866, Liberal. 39. Edward Smith Stanley, 14th Earl of Derby 1866 to 1868, Conservative. 40. Benjamin Disraeli 1868, Conservative. 41. William Ewart Gladstone 1868 to 1874, Liberal. 42. Benjamin Disraeli 1874 to 1880, Conservative. 43. William Ewart Gladstone 1880 to 1885, Liberal. 44. Robert Gascoigne Cecil, 3rd Marquess of Salisbury 1885 to 1886, Conservative. 45. William Ewart Gladstone 1886, Liberal. 46. Robert Gascoigne Cecil, 3rd Marquess of Salisbury 1886 to 1892, Conservative. 47. William Ewart Gladstone 1892 to 1894, Liberal. 48. Archibald Primrose, 5th Earl of Rosebery 1894 to 1895, Liberal. 49. Robert Gascoigne Cecil, 3rd Marquess of Salisbury 1895 to 1902, Conservative. 50. Arthur Balfour 1902 to 1905, Conservative. 51. Henry Campbell Bannerman 1905 to 1908, Liberal. 52. Herbert H. Asquith 1908 to 1916, Liberal. 53. David Lloyd George 1916 to 1922, Liberal. 54. Andrew Bonar Law 1922 to 1923, Conservative. 55. Stanley Baldwin 1923 to 1924, Conservative. 56. Ramsay MacDonald 1924, Labour. 57. Stanley Baldwin 1924 to 1929, Conservative. 58. Ramsay MacDonald 1929 to 1935, Labour. 59. Stanley Baldwin 1935 to 1937, Conservative. 60. Neville Chamberlain 1937 to 1940, Conservative. 61. Winston Churchill 1940 to 1945, Conservative. 62. Clement Attlee 1945 to 1951, Labour. 63. Winston Churchill 1951 to 1955, Conservative. 64. Anthony Eden 1955 to 1957, Conservative. 65. Harold Macmillan 1957 to 1963, Conservative. 66. Alec Douglas Home 1963 to 1964, Conservative. 67. Harold Wilson 1964 to 1970, Labour. 68. Edward Heath 1970 to 1974, Conservative. 69. Harold Wilson 1974 to 1976, Labour. 70. James Callaghan 1976 to 1979, Labour. 71. Margaret Thatcher 1979 to 1990, Conservative. 72. John Major 1990 to 1997, Conservative. 73. Tony Blair 1997 to 2007, Labour. 74. Gordon Brown 2007 to 2010, Labour. 75. David Cameron 2010 to 2016, Conservative. 76. Theresa May 2016 to 2019, Conservative. 77. Boris Johnson 2019 to 2022, Conservative. 78. Liz Truss 2022, Conservative. 79. Rishi Sunak 20,222,024, Conservative. 80. Keir Starmer 2024 till present, Labour.